So in this video lesson I'm going to dive into how to play Tango pour Mario bar by bar by the Canadian composer Gérard Montreuil. It is a nice sounding piece in A major intended for the advanced beginner. At the end of the video I will play through the whole piece, so stick around. Now let's go right ahead and start with the first bar. So I'd like to start by playing the first 4 bars so you have an idea of how they should sound. And now for the first bar, we start by playing the 5th string open, and then we play together the 1st and 2nd string, and we have our 2nd finger on C sharp or 2nd fret on 2nd string, and then our 1st finger on 1st fret 2nd string or B sharp, then again C sharp, up to D, D and E together or 2nd and 1st string together, and back to C sharp and E. So again. Now we transition over to the 2nd measure. Then we're going to move our 2nd finger or our middle finger up 1 fret to the 3rd fret to the note D. And we're going to place our index finger on the 2nd fret on 1st string. And now we'll play E in the bass, or the 6th string in the bass. Still the 1st and 2nd string together. And we're playing only with these 2 fingers on the first 2 strings, I and M, or index finger and the middle finger in the plucking hand. And then we're going to play B on the 5th string in the bass. Let's do that again. And then we're going to go to the 3rd bar. There we start with the 6th string in the bass. And now we're still in the same position as in the previous bar, with our 2nd finger on 3rd fret on 2nd string, our little finger on 4th fret 1st string, play those together, release the little finger and have our 1st finger on F sharp, and again little finger on 4th fret, and then the 4th measure we go to C sharp on 2nd fret 2nd string and F sharp 1st string 2nd fret with 2nd and 3rd finger. Now let's see that again in close-up. Now the next 4 bars are identical to the first 4 bars, so we'll skip ahead and we'll go to measure number 9 in the piece. There we're going to start on 5th string again in the bass and play the 1st and 2nd string C sharp and E together with our 2nd finger on C sharp. There's a little chromatic line on the 1st string from E sharp to F sharp. So again, the first. Now the next measure, we move our middle finger to D or 3rd fret, 2nd string, 1st finger on F sharp. Okay, again. In the next measure we start on the E in the bass or the 6th string. And we keep our 2nd finger on 3rd fret 2nd string and little finger on 4th fret 1st string, and go between 4th fret and 2nd fret on 1st string with 4th finger and 1st finger. We just keep our 1st finger lodged here on the 2nd fret. So again, the 3rd measure. Once more. Here we have a little difference. We have to put our little finger on the 3rd fret now. So here we do A in the bass, C sharp on second string and F sharp on first string with second and third finger. Little finger does the third fret on second string, and then we release the second and the fourth and the third finger and play C sharp and E together. And now the next part. And C sharp, A with the little finger and C sharp with the first finger in the second position. And we play A in the bass and E and then A, or now at this point we reach the B part, which is in the parallel minor, A minor, and I'm going to play the first 4 bars for you. Now let's go over that step by step, bar by bar. Here's the first bar. We start with C on the second string, first fret. Release first finger, C again, D with third finger, C and E together, fifth string in the bass. Next measure we start with D and F, or third fret, second string, first fret, first string, D in the bass, C sharp on second string, G on first string. Now a little syncopation with E in the bass, and again syncopation with A in the bass, C and E on the top, E in the bass. For the last 4 bars of the piece, start again with C on second string and E open and A open in the bass. Release first finger again, third fret, third finger on second string. Now we go to D minor, second finger C sharp, G, D and F, syncopation. We move our second finger to the third fret on second string, F sharp with first finger, index finger, middle finger, G sharp, and we put a barré from the fourth string, and we play C sharp and A on first and second string and A in the bass. And now we do E in the bass, A in the bass, and E on fourth string. Well, I hope this video was useful to you and that you got some value from it. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you until next video. Goodbye.